Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a first impressions of a new limited edition item that's happening right now in Sephora. And I'm guessing it's more so to do with the fact that it's just a summertime thing and they want to have people try it out, I'm guessing. So what I got was a Sephora Favorites Clean Makeup Kit. And I wanted to see, is this a good value? Do these products work for someone who has a skin tone like me? And can I really get, my money worth for this kit that they have right now? Right now they have it priced at $29. Usually it's an $87 value, so you are getting a lot for your money. They do have a full-size balm and a full-size multi-use pigment item. So we're going to see how this goes. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And if there's nothing else for me to say, then let's get started. One of the items that's in here is the Ilia Color Haze Multi-Pigment item, and it's called Before Today. This is a full item, a full size, and it can be used for your lips or your cheeks. So I actually just put on my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows. I did my brows. I wanted to see if these other things will work. So we're going to try out this first. So I'm going to actually put some of this on the back of my hand just because I don't want to mess up and put a big blotch on my face. Oh, this is a really pretty color. I can see it being good for like a lip color too. So this is what the color looks like. Again, the name of it is Before Today. And I'm just putting a little bit on. And just a little bit on the brush. Let's see here. It has a fragrance to it. So if that's something that you aren't really wanting, this may not work for you. You can already see it kind of, it's a very nice, it's definitely very pigmented. I seem to be having a little bit of trouble moving it around. Seems to just want to stay in one spot. So let's see. How about, let's try it this way. Let's try on the other side. Let me see about just dotting it. And then from there, let's see about blending it in. Okay, that seems to be working a little bit better. I have never used this product before. This is my first time using it. And this is the first impression. Yeah, it seems to be working better if I just dot it kind of on my face and then blending it in. And I like this side a little bit more. It looks a little more natural and a little more blended in than this side. Alright, so in this kit, it also comes with looks like a glowing Living Glow face and body powder from RMS Beauty. Its packaging is very luxe, very pretty. It's plastic, and it's see-through. It's a really nice color. So let's see here. Comes with a little poof. It's kind of cute. It's definitely very pretty kind of a look. I'm gonna see if I can use it as kind of like a highlighter to my face. Brush. It's very subtle. It's not kind of a winding kind of look. Yeah, it's very subtle. but it's pretty. This could be something more for like just basic everyday kind of look. Let's see if I can build it up. Oh yeah, I can. It says you can also use it on your body, so let's see here. Let's try it. See about trying it just right here. See if I can make it pop. I'm gonna use its little poof, little pad it came with. Ooh, that's really pretty. Again, very subtle, but it definitely will have, you can use it. It's very shimmery, very subtle. It complements my skin tone, which is nice. It doesn't seem to make it such an obvious difference in color, but it's really pretty. Again, very subtle. It's more of a glow than it is a glitter, which is nice because I don't really like glitter. I do in certain places of my face. I like it more for like eyeshadow or things like that, but it tends to just kind of get everywhere and it's a little more obvious, and I rather have something where it blends in and it looks a lot more natural and seamless and flawless kind of look. Right, another item that is in here is the Kosas Sport Hyaluronic Lip Balm. And this is also a full-size item, and I'm curious about it. It says it's energizing. Wild mint stimulates the senses to increase mental agility, and boost motivation. It's protective. Kojak root creates a gel-like protective network to form a barrier between lips and the environment, and it's ultra healing. Hyaluronic acid attracts water and locks in hydration, while vitamin E soothes, repairs, and plumps. It comes in this little package, never opened it, so let's see. I have very, very dry lips. I have a hard time trying to get them to not peel so much, and also for me to not want to pick at them. So that's been like my goal so much lately, is just for me to not pick them, and hopefully they can heal and they can look normal again, hopefully. So. And I'm trying different items, different things. I've used a lip mask before and that kind of helps. Right now I'm actually using Lanolips, which is like lanolin type product. And so far I enjoy it. I'm still checking it out, trying it out and see what I think about it. So, okay, let's see what this is. I can see that it has a bit of a color to it. Let's see here. So that's kind of what it does. It gives it a bit of a rosy color. But it's very, very light. Let's see. Do you like kind of this angle? For the most part, the angle is nice because I can definitely, you know, reach the edges and corners. I like how it's designed. It's really easy and really well to maneuver around the lips, and the way that it rolls up and down is very interesting. So I'll definitely have to keep trying this out and see how it looks. Try it out. It's definitely a lip balm, very tinted. There is color for sure. Curious about how long it'll last and you know how my lips will react to it. There is another lip item in this kit, and it's from Lila Be Elegant, and it's actually a lip oil. It's very liquidy, pencil lip oil. It's a very more of a brown color, more of a neutral brown kind of color, and I mean it could probably work for my skin tone. It's more of a fruity kind of smell. I can't quite put it. I want to say more of a tropical foreign kind of fruit scent I don't know. It's nice. It's a nice color, but I think for right now, I'm not going to just put it on top. Well, let's see. Let's see. Why not? Since we're just trying it all out, so. Oh yeah, it's a different color. It's really glides on really nice. It's very lightweight. It's very pretty. You notice that when I do this, it doesn't do that stringy thing. It's very hydrating. It's really nice on the lips right now. I'll have to try it out again without the lip balm underneath, but it's really nice. It almost has kind of like a minty type feel to it. Kind of like an invigorating feeling to it. It's really nice. Okay. There are 6 items in this kit I forgot to mention, and one of the items now is, forgive me for pronouncing this wrong, Ether Beauty, and it's a rose quartz crystal gemstone eyeshadow single, and it's a really pretty color. I know my face is gonna look a little funky, but I'm curious. It's really pretty. I don't have a Z palette for it, unfortunately. I did order one, but it's not in yet. So I'm just gonna have to just keep it in this packet. So it's kind of glued on, which is nice. I'm gonna keep it in here for now, like I said, until my Z palette comes in, and then I'll put it in there. Let's see here. I'm just going to put it all over my eyelid for now, and I'm going to just see how it blends out. Let's do a swatch quickly here. Ooh, it's pretty. It's really nice. Super pretty. Okay. This is blending out so nice. It's super nice. Didn't have to do very much to get this. Maybe I had to do like 2 or 3 times. Let's see here. This is blending out really, really nice. It's a really pretty color. It's definitely a shimmery metallic type eyeshadow. There's not really any glitter, which is nice. Like I said, it tends to get everywhere, but this isn't. So it's really nice. Yeah, you can definitely build up that highlighter. Look at that. It's really nice. The pigment's really nice. It's very subtle, but it's there. You can tell. It blends out really well. I thought it did a good job. There is a bit of a fallout, as you can see right here. Just looking at it, you can tell that there's some fallout. That's for most eyeshadows, that's how it is. But for the most part, I'm quite impressed with it. I could definitely see myself using an eyeliner, maybe a second shadow, or you can just do it like this. You don't have to use as many eyeshadow colors just to get a complete look. You can do one, it's fine, like it works. You can do something like that. All right, the last thing in this kit is a mascara from Tarte, and it's Surfer Curl, and it's a volumizing mascara. It's cute, it's little. I like the packaging. It's very oceany, summery, fresh kind of look. And let's see the brush here. It's very thick. So again, it's a volumizing mascara, so it makes sense why it looks the way it does. Okay, so I just put on mascara, and I can say for right now, my lashes are definitely staying up, and that seems to be a lot of the challenge that I have with most of mascaras is, will my lashes stay up, because they tend to just droop down. I don't know why, they just do. The only other one that actually has done such a good job keeping my lashes up is the Lancome Monster Big, and that mascara is amazing. It's so good. I love that thing so much. I need to get another one because one I have is expired. So far, my lashes seem to be holding up. I'm kind of seeing them starting to droop just a teeny bit. So I'll have to see throughout the day my impression about it. But overall, if I were just to use this kit and just use these products for kind of an everyday look, it could probably work. The other thing that is not in this kit is a bronzer. I kind of wish they kind of switched out one of the lip items for that. Maybe the lip balm, because the lip oil I could definitely see it's very hydrating, it's really nice, but I kind of wish they switch something like that out. Again though, this is kind of a clean kit that they are putting together for it, so I can understand why they're doing that, but I don't know, I kind of feel like a bronzer definitely would have been good. The eyeshadow is good. Again, maybe like a trio or duo kit or duo eyeshadow thing probably would have been good. Maybe if they were wanting to do kind of like a full face with this kit, again, I don't know. They kind of just made it seem like, here's some clean stuff, here you go. And I don't know. I feel like it could have had maybe a little bit more to make a more complete look. Again, that's just me and my preference. But I guess answering the question in the beginning, you know, is this worth the $29? Sure. Yeah, it is. I see it being a little worth it. Again, I kind of wish so that some items had been switched out for something else or added in instead. But overall, I think it's a fairly good deal. And I think, you know, you could definitely get a lot of use out of it. If you are interested in getting it, it is available right now in Sephora, and they said that this is a limited edition item, so if you're interested, I suggest to pick it up now before it's gone. A word of advice though, that this bag is recyclable and it is made of paper. I thought that was really interesting. So in the packaging it says though to remove the zipper before you recycle it. I was a bit surprised that it's made of paper and not fabric, but again, going along with the clean idea of this whole thing, I get it. I get why they did paper. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the look that came from this bag. It's definitely very interesting, very bright and summery, I guess you could say. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be notified of when I upload new videos. And I hope you have a great day, great week, great weekend. Please be safe. I love you and take care. And I hope to see you next time. Thanks. Bye.